नमस्कार फेरि पनि अर्को एक नयाँ भिडियोमा यहाँहरूलाई स्वागत छ। आजको यस भिडियोमा पनि हामीले हाम्रो दैनिक जीवनमा प्रयोग गरिने अङ्ग्रेजी र नेपाली वाक्यहरू सिक्नेछौँ। ल सुरु गरौँ। हाउ आर यु? हाउ आर यु? तपाईलाई कस्तो छ? हाउ आर यु? आई एम फाइन। आई एम फाइन। म ठिक छु। I am fine. What is your name? What is your name? तपाईको नाम के हो? What is your name? My name is Susan. My name is Susan. मेरो नाम सुसान हो. My name is Susan. Where are you going? Where are you going? तपाईँ कहाँ जाँदै हुनुहुन्छ? Where are you going? I am going home. I'm going home. म घर जाँदैछु. I am going home. What are you doing? What are you doing? तपाईँ के गर्दै हुनुहुन्छ? What are you doing? I am studying. I am studying. म पढ्दैछु. I am studying. Can you help me? के तपाईँ मलाई मद्दत गर्न सक्नुहुन्छ? Can you help me? Yes, I can help. Yes, I can help. हो म मद्दत गर्न सक्छु. Yes, I can help. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. धेरै धन्यवाद छ. Thank you very much. You are welcome. You are welcome. तपाईलाई स्वागत छ. You are welcome. What time is it? What time is it? कति बज्यो? What time is it? It is 7 o'clock. It is 7 o'clock. 7 बजेको छ. It is 7 o'clock. Are you busy? Are you busy? के तपाईँ व्यस्त हुनुहुन्छ? Are you busy? No, I'm free. No, I am free. होइन म फुर्सदमा छु. No, I am free. Where do you live? Where do you live? तपाईँ कहाँ बस्नुहुन्छ? Where do you live? I live in Kathmandu. I live in Kathmandu. म काठमाडौँमा बस्छु. I live in Kathmandu. Do you speak English? Do you speak English? के तपाईँ अङ्ग्रेजी बोल्नुहुन्छ? Do you speak English? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. हो म बोल्छु. Yes, I do. Please sit down. Please sit down. कृपया बस्नुहोस्. Please sit down. Please stand up. Please stand up. कृपया उठ्नुहोस्. Please stand up. Open the door. Open the door. ढोका खोल्नुहोस्. Open the door. Close the window. Close the window. झ्याल बन्द गर्नुहोस्. Close the window. Come here. Come here. यहाँ आउनुहोस्. Come here. त्यहाँ जानुहोस्. Go there. Go there. त्यहाँ जानुहोस्. Go there. Wait a moment. Wait a moment. एकछिन पर्खनुहोस्. Wait a moment. I am hungry. I'm hungry. म भोकाएको छु अथवा मलाई भोक लागेको छ. I am hungry. I am thirsty. मलाई तिर्खा लागेको छ. I am thirsty. Let's eat something. Let's eat something. ल केही खाऊ. Let's eat something. What would you like? What would you like? तपाईलाई के चाहिन्छ? What would you like? I would like tea. I would like tea. मलाई चिया चाहिन्छ. I would like tea. This is very good. This is very good. यो धेरै राम्रो छ. This is very good. I like it. I like it. मलाई यो मन पर्छ. I like it. I don't like it. मलाई यो मन पर्दैन. I don't like it. मलाई यो मन पर्दैन. I don't like it. मैले गरिसके. I am done. I am done. मैले गरिसके. I am done. के यो राम्रो छ? Is it good? Is it good? के यो राम्रो छ? Is it good? यो राम्रो छ. It is good. It is good. यो राम्रो छ. It is good. ऊ आउनेछ. He will come. He will come. ऊ आउनेछ. He will come. ज्ञान नै शक्ति हो. Knowledge is power. Knowledge is power. ज्ञान नै शक्ति हो. Knowledge is power. कहिले पछाडि फर्केर नहेर्नुहोस्. Never look back. Never look back. कहिले पछाडि फर्केर नहेर्नुहोस्. Never look back. कसैले तिमीलाई माया गर्छ. Somebody loves you. Somebody loves you. कसैले तिमीलाई माया गर्छ. Somebody loves you. सफलता तपाईको हो. Success is yours. Success is yours. सफलता तपाईको हो. Success is yours. अब कारबाही गर्नुहोस्. Take action now. Take action now. अब कारबाही गर्नुहोस्. Take action now. तपाईँ कहाँ जाँदै हुनुहुन्छ? Where are you going? Where are you going? तपाईँ कहाँ जाँदै हुनुहुन्छ? Where are you going? म बजार जाँदैछु. I am going to market. I am going to market. म बजार जाँदैछु. I am going to market. तिमी के किन्दैछौ? What are you buying? What are you buying? तिमी के किन्दैछौ? What are you buying? म केरा किन्दैछु. I am buying bananas. I am buying bananas. म केरा किन्दैछु. I am buying bananas. म तिमीसँग रिसाएको छु. I am angry with you. I am angry with you. म तिमीसँग रिसाएको छु. I am angry with you. तिमी के गर्दै थियौ? What were you doing? What were you doing? तिमी के गर्दै थियौ? What were you doing? म तिमीलाई पर्खिरहेको थिएँ. I was waiting for you. I was waiting for you. म तिमीलाई पर्खिरहेको थिएँ. I was waiting for you. के तिमीले उनीहरूलाई देख्यौ? Did you see them? Did you see them? के तिमीले उनीहरूलाई देख्यौ? Did you see them? यो कलम कसको हो? Whose pen is this? Whose pen is this? यो कलम कसको हो? Whose pen is this? त्यो कलम मेरो हो. That pen is mine. That pen is mine. त्यो कलम मेरो हो. That pen is mine. तिमीले के खोज्दैछौ? तिमी के खोज्दैछौ? What are you looking for? What are you looking for? तिमी के खोज्दैछौ? What are you looking for? म मेरो किताब खोज्दैछु. I am looking for my book. I am looking for my book. म मेरो किताब खोज्दैछु. I am looking for my book. उनलाई कस्तो छ? How is she? How is she? उनलाई कस्तो छ? How is she? उनी धेरै राम्री छिन्. She is very cute. She is very cute. उनी धेरै राम्री छिन्. She is very cute. उनी आइपुगेकी छिन्. She has arrived. She has arrived. उनी आइपुगेकी छिन्. She has arrived. के उनी आइन्? Did she come? Did she come? के उनी आइन्? Did she come? के तिमीलाई केही थाहा छ? Do you know anything? Do you know anything? के तिमीलाई केही थाहा छ? Do you know anything? मलाई केही थाहा छैन. I don't know anything. I don't know anything. मलाई केही थाहा छैन. I don't know anything. तपाईलाई के भयो? What happened to you? What happened to you? तपाईलाई के भयो? What happened to you? मैले उनीहरूलाई देखेको छैन. I am not seen them. I am not seen them. मैले उनीहरूलाई देखेको छैन. I am not seen them. के तिमी एक्लै छौ? Are you alone? Are you alone? के तिमी एक्लै छौ? Are you alone? मसँग मेरो साथीहरू पनि छन्. I have my friends too. I have my friends too. मसँग मेरा साथीहरू पनि छन्. I have my friends too. आफ्नो सबै काम पूरा गर्नुस्. Complete all your work. Complete all your work. आफ्नो सबै काम पूरा गर्नुस्. Complete all your work. उसलाई केही नभन्नुस्. Don't tell him anything. Don't tell him anything. उसलाई केही नभन्नुस्. Don't tell him anything. मेरो सपना साकार भयो. My dream came true. My dream came true. मेरो सपना साकार भयो. My dream came true. धेरै कुरा नगर्नुस्. Don't talk too much. Don't talk too much. धेरै कुरा नगर्नुस्. Don't talk too much. म काम गर्न जाँदैछु. I am going to work. I am going to work. म काम गर्न जाँदैछु. I am going to work. तपाईं पनि केही गर्नुस्. You also do something. You also do something. तपाईं पनि केही गर्नुस्. You also do something. म अब जाँदैछु. I am going now. I am going now. अब म जाँदैछु. Now I am going. तिमीसँग पछि भेट्नेछु. See you later. See you later. तिमीसँग पछि भेट्नेछु. See you later. मलाई सबै कुरा भन्नुस्. Tell me everything. Tell me everything. मलाई सबै कुरा भन्नुस्. Tell me everything. यसलाई राम्रोसँग सफा गर्नुस्. Clean it well. Clean it well. यसलाई राम्रोसँग सफा गर्नुस्. Clean it well. भगवानले हजुरको रक्षा गरून्. May God bless you. May God bless you. भगवानले हजुरको रक्षा गरून्. May God bless you. कहिलेकाहीँ यस्तो हुन्छ. Sometimes this happens. Sometimes this happens. कहिलेकाहीँ यस्तो हुन्छ. Sometimes this happens. मलाई पनि देखाउनुस्. Show me too. Show me too. मलाई पनि देखाउनुस्. Show me too. ऊ धेरै जवान छ. He is very young. He is very young. ऊ धेरै जवान छ. He is very young. म अझै अलमलमा छु. I am still confused. I am still confused. म अझै अलमलमा छु. I am still confused. उनलाई केही नयाँ कुरा सिकाउनुस्. Teach her something new. Teach her something new. उनलाई केही नयाँ कुरा सिकाउनुस्. Teach her something new. मैले त्यो भनेको छैन. I didn't say that. I didn't say that. मैले त्यो भनेको छैन. I didn't say that.